Let's get rolling.
Hello. Wine, please.
Yeah, where's our wine?
Sarah? Okay. We need wine. We're filming and we're uncomfortable. Cut. Don't put any of that in there, Jason. I saw the last one you did, and there's like 3 cuts that you included.
It's all cut.
Hi, I'm Shemeika Fox, your Santa Cruz Real Estate expert, and today you want to listen up because I am here with Kayla Grant at Kayla Grant Law Firm. She is going to talk to us a little bit about probates, wills, and trusts. So if you don't have one, you want one unless what?
Well, you really don't want probate. Probate can be very expensive. It can be very time consuming, which is the worst thing to go through when you're experiencing grief. It also is not private, it's public, so everyone gets to know about everything. You want to set up an estate plan, and there's 2 types of estate plans that you can set up. One is with a trust. A trust is like a contract, a private contract, and you have to fund it in order for it to be effective.
Okay.
So you want to know what's in my estate planning package? Okay, here's my sales pitch. So my estate plan, and I wrote it on the board for you, includes a trust, a will, a durable power of attorney for finances,
DPO,
an advanced healthcare directive,
AHCD, DC,
and a transfer of your assets. That's one thing that people get in trouble with when they try to create their own trusts online with LegalZoom or something like that, is they forget to actually fund their trust. And really what ends up happening is their relatives have to go to probate court and get all of those assets transferred into trust, doing what's called a Hagstead petition. So they don't really avoid probate,
which is the point of having a trust.
Exactly.
Hire some.
Exactly.
Hire
you
Kayla.
hire a professional to do it for you. Yeah, so it's done correctly. If you want to protect those people in your life, then you need to set up an estate plan.
So if you want to set up an estate plan, Kayla, how would they get in touch with you?
They can reach me via email or telephone. My email's kgrantlaw@gmail.com.
We'll put it in the sub notes.
Yeah, let me not do that because that was the wrong email anyway.
We'll put it in the sub notes.
Yeah.
But they can reach Kayla and you will walk them
I will
through.
give them a complimentary consultation.
Ooh, complimentary consultation.
Yes, and even if you do have your affairs already in order, things change.
So how often should people actually reevaluate their trust?
I tell people every time something big happens in your family, in your life, a death, a birth, if someone becomes disabled, we want to think about setting up a special needs trust for them so they don't lose their public benefits. Mm-hmm. That's a really big issue that concerns people. So call an attorney, call me.
Call Kayla.
I'll walk you through what the best thing to do is. I can walk you through everyone's individual plans. Everyone's different.
Okay.
I'm happy to talk. I love helping people.
Call Kayla for your estate planning needs, trust planning needs, will planning needs, anything, questions, free consultation. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Shemeika Fox, your Santa Cruz Real Estate expert, and I'm here with Kayla Grant at Kayla Grant Law.
Thank you.
Cut.